Welcome to your YC-200 3.1 setup guide. I'm Cloud from Get Your Ear, and today I will show you how to get your cigar humidifier running perfectly in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Placement and sensor setup. First, position your cigar humidifier in your cabinet. The 1 meter sensor wire lets you place the probe exactly where your cigars are stored. This ensures the most accurate humidity reading for your collection. Step 2. Water filling. Open the wide fill pot. You'll love how easy this makes refilling. Add half a bag of water-absorbing beads first. Then fill with the distilled water. Since this model doesn't have water windows, we recommend refilling just enough to cover the beads, just 1 liter initially. Step 3. Control panel mastering. Time to power off. Currently, it shows off. Press the power button to activate. Now it displays the current humidity, in this case 50% RH. Press the down button. You can see the stop humidity 70%. Press the up button. You can see the start humidity 60% RH. To set your desired range, first press and hold on the down button for 3 seconds until the display flashes. Now set the up or down buttons to set your in humidity. We will set 72% RH. When the flashing is over, we are done. The operation to set the start humidity setting is the same as the stop humidity setting. Please pay attention, stop humidity data is always higher than the start humidity. Otherwise, it will turn into the fault code. That's it. Your YC-200 3.1 is now perfectly configured. Remember to check water levels weekly and refill when humidity drops unexpectedly. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe. For more tips, visit getverified.com. Happy humidifying!